Today, I want to talk to you about why am I so afraid of the unknown? What are we here to do? I mean, why are we born? We ask these questions, but what does it really mean? What does it mean to live your life? What does it mean to have an experience? And why are we so afraid of the unknown? So, if you really want to have a good look at yourself, take a look from where you started when you were born. When you were born, you had no idea what was waiting for you in terms of this life. You had no plan, you had no goals, you had no objectives, you had no visions, fantasies when you were born as a baby. You were born and you just took each moment as it comes, because at birth, the most important thing for us is just to survive into the next moment so that we can continue. Because long since we're no longer in a survival mode on this planet. Those who live in a survival mode are living in a very, very low vibration. When you are good to yourself and you invest in yourself and you make a contribution to life, you're no longer in survival mode and you don't need to be afraid of the unknown. So let's first of all look, what is the unknown? What does it mean to have an experience? Because when you have an experience, you are dealing with the unknown. Because every next moment before you've lived it remains unknown. And no matter whether you Elon Musk or whether you Mr. Bezos or whether you are Mr. Zuckerberg or any of the billionaires, even Mr. Microsoft, doesn't matter. You cannot predict the next moment. And even if you can, the next moment still remains the unknown until it's been lived. So, what do we derive from that? If the next moment always remains the unknown, what is it that we're actually doing with our lives? We're making known the unknown. So each moment that you live, you are making known that which is the unknown. So making known the unknown is basically all that we're doing all the time. And that's what experience is all about. It's making known the unknown. So if you've been doing it since you were born, why are you afraid of it?